Indeed, it is a special day not only to us as a school, but also to this great community. Welcome to Gotichaki, the mighty one, as we are referred to as these days. So these days we are referred to as the mighty Gotichaki. Our school has a total population of 562 learners, that is from ECD to grade 9, out of which a total of 430 pupils are in primary school, while our ECD, a total of 430 are in primary school, that is grade 1 to establishment, as we have said, is 23, including the teachers on practice and ECD. We have a staff of 2, one security officer and a cook. So indeed we are a big population in this school working together as a team. The school is run by a very active board